Hi, my name is David Morrison, and I'm one of the founders of hibbittsautopro.com, a free software tool for automotive repair shops to help them run their businesses more efficiently. There are a lot of features in this software that will allow you to run your business in a very cost-effective manner. One particular is the CRM tool. With this, you'll be able to keep track of your customers, their contact information, and any vehicles that are associated with that customer. You can create work orders for those vehicles and convert those to an estimate or an invoice as needed. Estimates are great for prospects who just want a quote on a job, and invoices are great for when you're ready to get paid. Going forward, we're completely dependent upon your feedback to know when there's something wrong with the software or when there's a particular feature that you would like added to the software. Keep in mind that this is free software and we're doing the best that we can to keep up with your feature requests. And we are constantly adding new features to this software on a weekly basis. So take a moment, log in, poke around, and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. And from my family to yours, thank you.